Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing in and heading straight to the Provably Fair or Security section. This is where the server seed hash is published. Once there, make sure your client seed and the non-C used in the rounds are visible. This matters for verification. Now request the server seed reveal option or the end of round reveal. Do this immediately after the session ends, so the site will disclose the original pre-image. You're doing this to independently reproduce outcomes and confirm fairness. Once the site reveals the full server seed, copy it precisely and keep a local copy. Small differences break verification. Next, combine that server seed with your client seed and the specific non-C for each round. Then apply the hash algorithm the site specifies, typically SHA-256 or HMAC-SHA-256. Use a trusted local verifier or the site's verifier tool to generate the derived randomness. This reproduces the game's pseudo-random numbers, and now compare the numbers you reproduced with the official round results. They should match 101. This proves fairness. After verifying, archive the revealed seed, the published hash, and timestamp so you can audit later. If results don't match, first recheck exact inputs, client seed, non-C, and algorithm selection. Mistakes there are the most common cause of mismatch. If everything is correct and there's still a discrepancy, gather your copies and contact support. That evidence is what forces a formal investigation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.